Hi everyone! So in this lesson, we are going to cover the sentences structure of the second lesson. Alright, so let's start with the first set of sentences. Please read along with me. 这个手机又新又便宜。这个男人又高又年轻。这个房子又远又小。Okay, so please see the sentences pattern first. Firstly, we have the subject, which is a noun, right? And then the word of yo means also. And then the first adjective. And then the yod again. And then the second adjective, right? So this sentences pattern is using more than two adjectives to describe the same subject and also have the emphasizing tones. So I would suggest you guys to take a look at the people or the objects around you and try to apply these sentences pattern to describe them, alright? Try to use the vocabulary of adjective we have learned so far. Alright, so let's take a look at the second set. Please read along with me. 工作准备好了吗？准备好了。没有准备好。老师讲的话，你听明白了吗？听明白了。没有听明白。So when we learn the dialogue, we have talked about that the word of 明白 is the new resultant complementary words, right? And it's similar to the meaning of 懂, means to understand, okay? So I would like you to leverage on these sample sentences to consolidate the resultant complementary sentences pattern, alright? Okay, please turn to the first set. Please read after me. 桌子上放着电脑和书。桌子上有电脑和书。Okay, so firstly, do you guys understand the meaning for these two sentences? Actually, these two sentences mean the same thing, okay? Both are describing on the table, now placing the computers and books. And then obviously it is different at the sentences patterns, right? When the first one is place, which is 桌子上, on top of the table. And then the verb here is 放, means to place. And then the word of 这, which means the current state. So together 放着 means placing. And then followed by the noun. Here is the 电脑书. Or we can also say in these sentences pattern. Again, firstly, the place, 桌子上, and then the word which is 有 means to have, and then the noun referring to something. And please be noted they mean the same things. So I would suggest you guys to take a look at your rooms and then use these sentences pattern to describe the arrangement of the items in your rooms. Alright? Okay, so the homework for this lesson is to complete the try to speak and the listening exercises in these lessons of the textbook. And the learning objective is to master the sentences structures, learn to construct your own sentences, and be able to understand the dialogue using the vocabularies and the sentences patterns which from these lessons, alright? And meanwhile, I have left the assignments on the online classroom interactive board. Please go to take your challenge and engage in the discussion with the other Chinese learners from all over the world, alright? So please keep up the good work and see you in the next lesson. Bye! If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!